Okay, boys, here we go. We are gonna do the picks. I'm gonna try this time and see if I can record it to YouTube so you guys can all see it, see how I do it. So we'll start off by showing you what I've got. Okay, so first I have the pad of paper here. It's kind of hard to see everything, but we've got all the names here. We've got AG, we got Lamb, we have Jones and Pat, we have MVB and Eddie, and we've got Border and Paul. Those are all the names written down on this piece of paper. I will be using Amna's little lunchbox as the hat in this case, okay? So just so you know, here are the names. I'm going to remove them from the pad of paper. Here they are, all there still. Okay, I am going to fold them in half. Couldn't splurge this year for a scissors, so I'm going to have to use this. Let's do this here. See if we can do this. Actually, I can find some scissors. Wait 1 second. Got them. Okay, so we'll just so you can see, cutting them up there. We still have Border and Paul, AG and Lamb. Cut these guys in half. Okay. Okay, now we have 4 individual ones here. Okay, we'll fold these guys up. We still have 4 more to go over there. Fold these in half so you can see for yourself. Let's see. And at this point, I don't even remember what's on these pieces of paper anymore. As usual, remember we'll do this in reverse order so that the first name I pick will be number 8, and the last one I pick will be number 1. So Lamb, you better be ready to get picked first because you're usually at the end, or I'm at the end. Usually it's one of us two. But here's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going. These are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the next set. We're doing the next set here. Alright, so we've got, oh, I gotta cut this one too. So it didn't work out how I wanted it exactly. Okay, and here we have Ed. We have Pat. Okay. So again, just to prove that everyone's name is in there, it's going in there. Pat is going in there. Okay, lastly we have the piece of paper that includes Jones and MVB. Okay, so once again, Jones and MVB, if you can see that. Okay, we're folding this in half, going into the bucket. Okay, and the final one into the bucket. Okay, so just so I can prove it to you, there are 8. Let's move this here. There are 8 pieces of paper in this bucket. Okay, I will now seal the bucket. I will give it a shake. That's adequately shook, I believe. Okay, moment we've been waiting for now. Here we go. I cannot look. I'm just gonna half open it. I'm not even opening it all the way. Okay, hand going in. The first one I'm pulling out. A little mix here. First one, first name is Jones. You get number 8. Let me write these down. Jones. Don't worry, Jonesy. This is the year where anybody can win, right? That's what they always say, isn't it? Okay. At least that didn't keep my streak alive of number 8. Okay, here we go. Hand back in. Let's see, I'll probably be number 7. No, number 7 is Mr. Dujan, Commissioner Dujan. Gosh, that's really border, but Pat is number 7. Okay. The stress is mounting. Hand is in here, paper out. Who's it gonna be? Eddie Kleinhans. Eddie Kleinhans, you're number 6. Number 6. Ed. Okay. Here we go. Doing this again. The next one out of the hat here is Paul Fine. Paul Fine, you're number 5. We're getting into the top 4. There's only 4 names remaining. Who's going to be in here? Let's see. This was number 4. Ricardo, MVB. Number 4. Okay, only 3 names left. Lamb, AG, and Border. You know who you are. You're in the top 3. Let's see, who it is this year. Let's see, who is number 3? Mr. Border. Can you see that? Border. So this looks to be the year where the tables have been reversed with Keith and me. Usually we're at the bottom. This year we're at the top. Let's see. But if ever there was a year to be near the bottom, this would be it. Anyway, here we go. Number 2. Keith Lamb. Keith Lamb is number 2. And that means, just to prove it to you, that there was a piece of paper in there with my initials in there. AG. AG's number 1. That means I win. AG's number 1. I win. You can question the integrity all you want, but you saw it with your own eyes this year. Okay, so the final order is AG number 1, Lamb number 2, followed by Border and MVB at 4, Paul at 5, Ed at 6, Pat at 7, and Greg Jones taking up the rear at number 8. Okay, there we go. I hope this works. Goodbye.